Good morning, students. Today I would like to explain about the qualitative test of the carboxylic acid. First test: aqueous solution of carboxylic acid reacted with litmus paper gives red color. Second test: when carboxylic acids, for example acetic acid and carboxylic acid reacted with base like sodium hydroxide, it is producing salts of carboxylic acids. Salts of corresponding carboxylic acid. Here I have taken acetic acid as an example. When acetic acid is dissolved in sodium hydroxide, and it is producing sodium acetate plus water. This is sodium acetate. Next test for the carboxylic acid: esterification test. Esterification test. In esterification test, we have to take any carboxylic acid, for example acetic acid. When acetic acid reacted in the presence of, when acetic acid reacted with alcohol like methanol in the presence of acid like H2SO4, it is producing esters. Now coming to the mechanism, how carboxylic acid upon reacted with alcohols in the presence of acid, they are producing esters. Now mechanism: carboxylic acid in the presence of acid producing H plus ions, and these H plus ion reacted with the oxygen atom. Now oxygen is getting positive charge. Now what happened? These pi electrons are, oxygen is more electronegative atom, so that's why the pi electrons are attracted by the oxygen atom, and these pi electrons are shifting towards the oxygen. Now CH3CO, oxygen get its lone pair of electrons back, but carbon is getting the positive charge. Now what happened? This positive charge carbon now reacted with the alcohol. Here our alcohol is methanol. Methanol contains oxygen atom. This oxygen has lone pair of electrons. With this lone pair of electrons, oxygen is reacting with the carbon atom. First centered carbon. Now what happened? Here This oxygen atom utilizes lone pair of electrons to make a bond with the carbon atom, and as a result of this one, oxygen is getting the positive charge. Oxygen is getting positive charge, and here oxygen is taking electrons from the hydrogen atom. And the bond between the oxygen and hydrogen will be broken down because oxygen is more electronegative compared to hydrogen atom. So that's why oxygen is pulling electron from the hydrogen atom. Now hydrogen is eliminated. Here hydrogen atom is eliminated. That eliminated hydrogen atom reacting with this oxygen atom. This hydrogen atom now reacted with the oxygen atom. CH3 COH again OH OCH. Now this hydrogen atom is attached. Now what happened? Oxygen is getting the positive charge because oxygen utilizes lone pair of electron to make a bond with the hydrogen atom. Because hydrogen do not have any electrons, its orbital is empty. To react with the oxygen, oxygen is supporting electrons to make a bond with the hydrogen atom. Now what happened again? Now this entire molecule H2O eliminated, and the bond between the carbon and oxygen is broken down because oxygen is more electronegative compared to carbon atom, and the bond between the carbon and oxygen is now broken down. COH OCH3, but carbon getting positive charge. Now what happened here? Between the oxygen and hydrogen atom, oxygen is pulling electron from the hydrogen atom, and these electrons are taken. This is the electrons. This is two electrons present between the oxygen and hydrogen atom. Both the electrons are taken by the oxygen, and these electrons are this electron density is shifting between the oxygen and carbon, and there is a double bond formed between the carbon and oxygen atom. And now see here, this is the qualitative test for the carboxylic acid. The first test is an aqueous solution of carboxylic acid reacted with the litmus paper. It is producing the red color, and in case of carboxylic acid reacted with the sodium hydroxide, it is producing the salts of corresponding acids. Here I have taken a acetic acid as an example. That's why it is a sodium acetate and water. And here esterification test, when alcohols are reacted with methanol in the presence of H2SO4, we are producing esters. Now plus water. In this case, the reaction is initiated by the acid, and H plus ions are reacting with the oxygen atom. This is the carbonyl group, and this hydrogen atom reacting with the oxygen atom. This hydrogen do not have any electrons to react with the oxygen or to make a bond with the oxygen. Now what happened? Oxygen is utilizing to make a bond. We need two electrons. That two electrons are supported by the oxygen atom, and this oxygen is making a bond with the hydrogen atom. Now what happened here? oxygen is getting positive charge, and oxygen has 3 bonds, 1, 2, 3. Now due to this positive charge on oxygen atom is more electronegative compared to carbon, and it is pulling electron towards itself, and now oxygen atom again getting its lone pair of electrons. But here when pi electrons are shifting towards the oxygen atom, carbon atom is getting positive charge. At this time the methanol contains oxygen atom, and this oxygen atom is making a bond with the carbon atom, and the bond is formed between the oxygen and carbon. We told to make a bond we need 2 electrons, but carbon do not have any electron to make a bond with the oxygen atom. The necessary electrons for the bond formation is supplied by the oxygen atom, and the bond formed between the carbon and oxygen. Now what happened here? Oxygen is given its lone pair of electron to make a bond with the carbon, and as a result of this one, oxygen is again getting the positive charge, but oxygen is more electronegative, it can get the negative charge. So what happened? This positive charge of carbon, now this oxygen is making a bond with the carbon atom, and a bond is formed between the carbon and oxygen. And what here, as a result of this one, oxygen is getting positive charge. Again, due to more electronegativity, oxygen is pulling electron from the hydrogen atom, and oxygen again getting its lone pair of electrons. Now oxygen again got his lone pair of electrons, and here the hydrogen atom eliminated from this oxygen atom, and this hydrogen atom now reacting with this oxygen, and again what happened here? OH2, and oxygen is getting the positive charge, and this molecule is eliminated as H2. This molecule is eliminated as a H2O, and but the bond between the carbon and oxygen is being broken down, and the carbon is getting the positive charge, and here oxygen, due to positive charge, this oxygen is taken electron from the hydrogen atom, and there is a double bond formed between the oxygen and carbon atom, and formation of esters takes place. This is the qualitative test for the carboxylic acid.